The tools that you actually will need are a vacuum hose, a vacuum head, and a pole for the vacuum. So with these three things, you can actually vacuum out the bottom of the pool. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the head of the vacuum hose, hook it into where the skimmer is, and that'll provide the suction for the vacuum head, and then you're gonna use the pole to just guide it around the bottom of the pool. The hole inside of here is what's actually gonna provide the suction for our vacuum process. So the first thing we need to do is submerge the hose in the pool. If you press this on to get that good and sealed, okay, then we're gonna hook up the handle to the head, and this involves just pushing those two little clips in. So now we're ready to go and ready to start submerging it under the water. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this rod a little bit longer so that we can get it to the bottom. And I'll extend it here as well to get the most length we can out of it. All right, and now we're gonna submerge and use this to slowly push the hose down and get the water to keep coming up. Try not to lose the rod in the pool, or you'll end up having to go swimming, and it's pretty chilly right now, so that would not be fun. Then we are at the end. Okay, so you should get that where the water starts trying to gurgle out at the end, and we'll finish filling it, and now our hose is completely full of water. So the next step is to actually just stick the hose inside of the little hole in the skimmer port, and now we have suction, and you're ready to go. At this point, I'm just gonna slowly walk around and vacuum up everything I can find at the bottom of the pool. The actual vacuuming process itself is not very complicated. You just kind of walk it back and forth across the pool until you've gotten all the leaves and debris off the bottom of the pool. After you finish vacuuming, you need to clean out the pump basket, which is the strainer right in front of your pump that keeps debris out of your pump. And then you also probably want to clean out your actual pool filter, which is, in my case, it's a bigger cartridge filter. This option that we used cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $60. So we definitely went with the cheaper option, but I don't mind because I have plenty of time to come out and work on the pool. So after you have finished vacuuming the bottom of the pool, that's a great time to go ahead and brush the walls of the pool, and then you'll clean your filters and your pool will be ready to go for another week. Thank you for joining me by the pool today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.